For many patients who visit Dr. Freddy Vallejo and his team at WholeLife Dentistry here in Midtown Plantation, Florida,
Hi, Christina.
There are 3 words that describe why they keep coming back year after year.
I trust him.
You doing okay today?
Trust is something Dr. Vallejo and his team have earned over the years because of the culture he has created and the staff he has assembled.
This is Mercy. How may I help you?
Our integrity is the biggest thing in this office. My staff is very loyal, very honest, very trustworthy. They bend over backwards for our patients.
Good, Janie. How are you doing?
Our patients are not numbers, and we have a relationship with each and every one.
So how's everything, Mark?
They're warm, they're caring, and they make the experience of going to the dentist as good as it could possibly be.
You can tell they get along well. They work together well, they like each other, and they're happy to be here.
Dr. Vallejo and his team offer a wide variety of general and cosmetic dental procedures, ranging from dental implants, veneers and crowns, to root canals, orthodontics, and one of the patient's favorites, IV sedation.
I've had patients walk in here that I could not even look in their mouth. They'd walk in and they were in tears as soon as they sat in my chair. You won't remember anything that happened, and many times we can do all of your dental work in one visit while you basically sleep.
He has such a calming demeanor. He calmed me down. We started the sedation. I relaxed. And the next thing I know, it was over. No pain. It was amazing. It really was amazing. The best experience I've had.
But treating patients at WholeLife Dentistry is about much more than performing any routine or complicated dental procedure alone. The entire staff here has adopted a patient for their whole life approach to dentistry that focuses on establishing true and trusting relationships with every patient. This team has a higher standard of care that not only focuses on routine treatments, but also takes a more comprehensive approach by evaluating a patient's overall health and wellness.
When a patient comes into our office, we look at their medical history. We make sure to take blood pressures. We make sure that they're in line with being able to have treatment done. One of the things we do on every visit is an oral cancer exam, but when I do that, I look at the facial aspects of the patient. I've caught skin cancers on patients. I've found thyroids that were enlarged and oral cancers as well. So I mean, we do look at all of that.
The dental experience is also enhanced by the state-of-the-art equipment and comfortable environment that surrounds every patient here at WholeLife Dentistry. You see, Dr. Vallejo's office is one of the cleanest and most modern dental practices in all of South Florida.
Well, as soon as you walk in our doors, you'll know that our place is extremely clean and very well maintained. Patients usually walk in and right away they know they're in the right place.
It's very calming, it's very clean. That's the most important. Very clean, very calming. It doesn't feel like you're coming to a dentist. It feels like you're coming to a friend's house.
Dr. Vallejo comes from a long line of doctors. His father, grandfather, and several other members of his immediate and extended family are all doctors. He graduated from Northwestern University Dental School and completed his residency at UCLA Medical Center. His experience working in a hospital environment and treating patients with complex medical histories and trauma victims gives him the rare experience and confidence in treating even the most difficult patient cases. But whether it's a complicated cosmetic surgery or a routine cleaning, Dr. Vallejo and his team at WholeLife Dentistry go to work every day with one goal in mind.
The biggest thing for me is helping people. There's no doubt about it. And I know the busier we are, the more people we're helping. It's a life-changing experience not only for the patient, but for us as a staff. It really is. I mean, it's helping people.
It's very hard to find, doctors or dentists who really are passionate about what they do, and they're in the best interest of the patient, which is what I feel with him.
I wouldn't hesitate a moment to recommend Dr. Vallejo to anyone. In fact, Dr. Vallejo is probably one of the best dentists anyone could even think of coming to. He makes you feel good about yourself as well as feeling good about having been to the dentist.